Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to lecture number 3. I am Sultan Ahmad Khodo and teaching the third lecture of the sets chapter number 1. In previous classes we discussed about notations of numbers, subsets, proper subsets, improper subsets, and now we discuss power set. The set of all subsets of A, the set of all subset of A is called power set of A, and it is denoted by P of A. And suppose here we set A is equal to A, B, C. We write all the subset of A, one null set A. There will be 2 power 3, 8 subsets. B, C, AC. First we write AB, AC, BC, AB, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Already discussed here, this becomes 8 subsets because the number of elements in A are 3, the total number of subsets 2 power 3, 2 power 3 means 2 multiply 3 times is equal to 8. And if we write these are subsets in a set, we call power set P of A is equal to, so this is called a power set. Means if we write all subsets of a set and we write in the notation of set, then it is called the power set. So this was the power set. We discussed the power set and give the example. Now we are coming to the topic universal set. Universal set, it is a set of all elements that may be admitted as members of all other sets considered during a given discussion of the sets. Universal set, it is a set of all elements that may be admitted as members of all other sets considered during a given discussion of sets denoted by the symbol such as universal or by universal. Here we writing the example. Supportive example. Here I am writing the universal set members 1, 2, 3 up to 10. I am discussing A prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. B composed numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. C even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. D odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I write the example universal 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Here I am discussing the set of prime numbers between 1 and 10. 2, 3, 5, 7. Set of even numbers between 1 and 10. Set of composite numbers between 1 and 10. 2, 6, 8, 8, 2. Oh, sorry. We are discussing here the composite numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and here we are discussing C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, even numbers. D prime numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Then if we discuss these 4 sets and all the members are present in the universal, then we can say that this is a universal set. If I am writing an other set A, B, C, D, suppose if I am writing set E 1, 7, 9, 10, 11. The member of E1 is present in the universal, 7 is present, 9 is present, 10, but 11 is not present. So we say that this is not a universal because we have discussed here the set E. Here one member is not in present in the set, then we can say that is not universal, and I am here vanishing the E, then it is the universal set. Or by example set of all integers, set of all integers 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 up to so on. Here we discuss natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on. The universal, here we discuss set of whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Or we discuss integer plus integer minus integer star. So this is a universal set. A universal set, it is the set of all elements that may be admitted as a members of all other sets considered during a given discussion of sets. It is denoted by this symbol. These symbols are called a universal set. Now here is another topic. For you equal sets, for you equal sets, equal sets definition: two sets A and B, two sets A and B are called equal sets if only if each element of A belongs to B, and vice versa. And vice versa means also all elements, each element of B belongs to A, denoted by A is equal to B, denoted by A is equal to B. Or other things we can say, two sets are equal, two sets A and B are equal sets if A is subset of B and B is subset of A. All the members of A present B, all the members of B present A, then we can say that A and B are equal, denoted by A is equal to B. Here writing the example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, B is equal to 2, 3, 5. Here A is equal to B are equal sets. Let's suppose I am writing here under root 4, the result of under 4 is 2. Then still they are equal. Equivalent sets, two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements, denoted by A is equivalent to B. In equivalent set, we just count the members. We just count the members of two sets. We just count the members of two sets. If the number of members of two sets are equal, then sets are equivalent. Then sets are equivalent. Suppose B. Here A has 3 members, B has 3 members. Order of A is equal to order of B. A and B are equivalent. If A is equal to A, B, C, B is equal to 3, 5, 7, we can say A is equivalent to B, or B is equivalent to A, because order of A is equal to order of B. Two sets are not equivalent if order of A not equal to order of B. Two sets are not equivalent if order of A, if order of A not equal to order of B, then A and B are not equivalent sets. A and B are not equivalent sets. Just बाबा equal sets माना शायद कना दे addition of elements आगा हो जाए mini set हिक्का जड़ा हो जाए common हो जाए equal sets. ऐं इक्वल में छा कंदासीं सिर्फ़ु तादाद असां छा कंदा चेक कंदासीं मीन्स आर इक्वल सेट्स आर इक्वलेंट सभु असांजा इक्वल सेट्स असां छा हूंदा इक्वलेंट हूंदा पर सभु इक्वलेंट सेट असां छा हूंदा इक्वल पाण में न हूंदा छाकाणि हुन में हुनजो एलिमेंट डिफरेंट थी सघंदा बाक़ी नंबर असांजा साॻा हूंदा नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन टॉपिक इज ऑर्डर पेयर ऑर्डर मीन्स तरतीब ऑर्डर मीन्स तरतीब पेयर मीन्स ॿ एलिमेंट कनि ॿिनि एलिमेंट में में का तरतीब हुजे को रूल हुजे का ॻाल्हि हुजे त पोइ हुन छा चवंदा असां ऑर्डर चवंदासीं ऑर्डर पेयर्स ए order pairs an order set of two elements objects is called order pairs denoted by AB where A is first component and B is a second component. ए असां छा फर्स्ट कॉम्पोनेंट हूंदो ऐं बी असां छा हूंदो सेकंड कॉम्पोनेंट हूंदो इन सेट्स सपोज इन सेट्स ए इज इक्वल 1 2 3 and A is equal B is equal 2 3 1 C is equal 2 1 3 they are equal but in sets representation is not allowed. I am writing here 1 1 1 1 up to so on 1. If someone asked how many elements set A, in set A order of A is equal to 1 element. Means repetition is not allowed, but in order pairs we can write 2 comma 2 1 comma 1 3 comma 3 and two ordered pair are equal. Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if ordered pairs are equal, if only if in ordered set A comma B is equal to C comma D, when A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Two order pairs A, B, C D are equal if and only if the first component of first order pair is equal to first component of second order pair and first component of first order pair is equal to second component of second order pair, i.e. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. 3 4 is equal to 3 4, but 3 comma 4 not equal to 4 comma 3 because the corresponding element of order pairs are not equal. So this topic was order pairs. Inshallah, in next lecture we will discuss operation on the sets. We will discuss operation on the sets. So you don't worry and give your time to study. Inshallah, you will achieve the best results. And in the next lectures, I will teach you here about the MCQs, about the MCQs short methods, how the MCQs comes about topics which we have delivered. Thank you for watching.